Now, this is a bonus video that you didn't expect, but it's something that was laid on my heart that I must share with you. But if you really get the lesson I'm going to share with you in this training, I can almost guarantee over your lifetime it's going to add hundreds of thousands of dollars to your bank account. Now, the Transparent Trading Academy is designed for you to see my journey and my mission to take $1,000 and turn it into $1 million trading only one stock. Now, I want to share a backstory with you. I was checking in with one of my students in the Success Academy, and I hadn't heard from him in a while. And he was like, yeah, I've just been reading books, trying to sharpen my trading. I need to get, he hadn't been watching the training in the members area. He said, I need to get logged back in. I kind of know all the basics by heart. I just have to get the rest programmed by memory. And what I share with him is you don't sharpen your trading by reading. You do it by implementing what you learn. You see, in the Transparent Trading Academy, you're going to learn how to trade stock options, and then you're going to watch me trade. Now, learning and watching are not two activities that put money in your bank account. The only thing that puts money in your bank account is implementation. And so what I share with the student is don't waste your time reading books when you've invested in a course with proven results. Implement what you learn in the members area, have success, and then, you can read books to supplement your learning. The process that all successful people follow is they learn, they implement, they tweak according to results, and then they rinse and repeat. You don't just learn. Because again, you're going to learn how to trade stock options, and you're going to watch me turn 1,000 into 1,000,000. See, that gives you a false sense of progress. Those two activities, learning and watching me trade, is a complete waste of your time. Why? Because it doesn't put money in your bank account. It doesn't get you anywhere financially. Okay, i.e., it doesn't make you any money. Now, you may be kind of surprised that I'm sharing that. Yeah, that's what I want you to get. I am here to remove your financial blockage and hopefully move you towards what you really want in life. So I want to show you a real life example of this. Just recently here, the market went through a kind of downturn. So let's pull up a stock chart. Okay, you can see this, the market was going up. This is a 2-year chart of the S&P 500. Market was going up. Then you had this downturn right here. Okay, now during this downturn, I made a series of trades that I'm about to share with you. The downturn started about, it started actually falling about here. So this is July 2015. It ended September 29th. Now, I am a co-creator of another training called Market Club Options, and you can see that here. Now, Market Club Options is hosted by one of the world's leading authorities on trading education and software. And the co-creator of Market Club is Adam Hewison. He's a regular contributor on Bloomberg Business News. You see him on CNBC sometimes. You can read down here his bio. He was a member of the CME, index and options market. He held a seat, trading on the floor. And over the years, they had been hearing some good things about my training program. And so they asked me if they could host one of my training programs on their platform. And I was incredibly humbled by the opportunity because they're a really well-known company, and they contacted me instead of some of the other big name gurus. Now, their Market Club Options training program, it's only a few $100s. It's a really great option for those who can't afford, the several $1,000 more advanced programs, and it's a complete blueprint. Now, over here, we have some bonus training. Okay. Now, the reason I showed you this chart initially is during this downturn right here, one of the students who knows this blueprint right here was complaining that there's no opportunity. And one of my beliefs, based on what my millionaire mentor shared with me, is whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, you're right. And out of belief comes reality. If you think there's no opportunity in the world, don't be surprised if you never find any opportunity. Because of my belief is there's always opportunity. I just have to find it. So this student during this downturn was complaining that the market is horrible. There's no opportunity to make money. It's hard to trade. Now, during this time period, this little short time period where the market fell in price, I wound up tripling one of my accounts. And so I'm going to do transparent trading here. I'm going to pull up one of my spreadsheets here. I'm going to view my transactions here in my Roth account. These are another portfolio I run side by side with my Starbucks one. And during this time period here, I started this account as a smaller account with about $900. Now, during this time period, you can add up all these figures right here to around September, the end of September, and you will see that that $900 turned into like $3,160.66. So during this time period where he was not trading because his mindset was there's no opportunity, I tripled my account. We are both traders. We both know the same template. Why is it that I tripled my account and he didn't? And it's because what all successful people know, that success with money is 80% mental, 20% technical. It's not strategies. It's your mindset. A lot of people argue with that. But once you do well financially, you will see proof of this over and over again. But anyway, quick disclaimer here. I can't promise that you will make this the same amount of money if you enroll in that program and use that blueprint. Everyone's trading the portfolio. Everyone should be trading the portfolio together. But, you know, our results should be the same because I walked them through step by step how to do it. He's using the same template. I gave them instructions. I mean, they can see exactly what to do here. But, you know, what I always tell people is if we're both using the same template, your results different from mine, you have a community of members inside of here to help you figure out why you're not making money like us. Okay. So essentially your chances to fail with that kind of blueprint and support system are slim to none unless you absolutely don't put in the work necessary to succeed. Keyword there is work. Remember, learning and watching are two activities that are a complete waste of your time. They give you a false sense of progress. You feel like you're moving forward, but you're not. The only thing that moves you forward is work. Implementation. So why am I, being so hard on you right now and showing you this story and these trades I made? Because I want to point out that I tripled my account, but guess what? Does that put any money in your bank account? Nope. Does that help you out financially? No. You get inspired maybe by some of my results, and maybe you're going to get inspired by watching me turn into 1,000 into 1,000,000. But I want to help you by pushing you forward to the thing that really will help you, and that's implementation. So what I am going to do is upload a video here. This is a bonus video I give to, buyers of my book here. Now, this video walks you through a 10-minute trading strategy. It's a proof of concept strategy. It's really simple. Just watching the video, you should be good enough to implement it because I'm going to walk through the steps that I was taught in this book, but I'm going to visually do it on video. So I want you to implement. I want you to follow the steps I'm going to share with you in this video real quick. If it doesn't make sense to you, then you probably need to go back through my basic course on my website or either purchase the book. It's only a few dollars here. And then you can kind of learn more about option basics. But my hope is that the video I'm about to upload for you will be good enough for you to implement. Because I want you to implement. I just don't want you sitting here watching me make money. I want you to implement so you can earn money yourself. Take care, and I'll talk to you in next week's case study update. Hey, this is Travis, and I'm back, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it added some value to your life. Now, this is just a reminder that if you want to become a member of the Transparent Trading Academy, it's completely free to the public. It's my way of adding value to your life without you having to pay me a dime. You just go to my main website, tradertravis.com, and then look for the Transparent Trading links or just a link to sign up for the newsletter. And then you will be on board with our crazy trading tribe. So you take care, and I can't wait to talk to you in the next tutorial. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.